Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use romantic story voices for your project. So if the first thing you have to do is to go to 11labs website and click on the voices section, then choose the collections options here and scroll to the use cases section, which is the second one. Then choose this romantic story voices. This should give us a page like this, and then you can proceed to sample each voice to make sure they correspond with your project's details. So we can sample each one to hear how they
Find a
sound.
comfortable place to lie down.
Okay.
And here we have a calm. The rain falls gently.
Okay, so this is how you can choose a suitable romantic voice for your video or your personal projects. So if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment in the section. Do have a great day.